Hello everyone, this is Gabriel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how to make your computer run faster using three basic steps. The first step is to go to your computer windows and type run, then open it. So go there and type the prefetch, then click on OK, continue. So we delete all the files here under the prefetch. The second step is the temp. So you go to the run again, go to run, type temp. Okay. You delete all the file here. Can you see? Now the last step is to delete the disk cleanup. So this will take some time to load. Take some minutes. Then you check everything. Don't worry, the system will be fine. Just make sure you check everything. And you see I have over 1 gig files. Then click on OK. Delete the file permanently. After deleting everything, you will restart your system.